Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a quick little Aliexpress haul. My orders are rolling in. Okay, so this first one right here, I saw Miss Lisa Creates on Instagram post these. She made some duplicate Maggie Holmes inspired butterflies, and you guys, so cute. And she used these little stamens, ooh, a yellow one, as like the antenna of the butterfly embellishment. It is so cute. Look at this, you guys. So these are like the white, hold on, come on, the white pearl ones, and these are tiny, you guys. I wanted them tiny, so you got to make sure you order the right one. I think these are 1 millimeter or centimeter or something. Then I got the pink ones. Come on, camera. And then I got the gold ones, like a muted, really pretty gold. So cute, right? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to like craft with these. I'm just so excited to craft overall. I'm like back into my game. Okay, and then this one right here is the embossed leaf. I think this one is from KS Craft. I'm not sure. I don't know where I bought it from, but it does the embossing part of the leaf as well. And you can never have like enough leaf for like layering and stuff. And then this right here, I got these. Oh, these are bigger than I thought they were going to be, which is a good thing. And they're metal, like a heavy duty metal. And look at this cute baby pink, you guys. So cute. Perfect for Happy Mail rings or any type of like tag flips or books and stuff. Then I got, where are they? These seed beads they were like 50 cents or something. But you guys, look how measly that is. This is not enough seed bead. It does got like a pretty iridescent color to it. I got this peachy color, but look how many you get. That's nothing. That's worth 10 cents to me. I'm sorry. Not 50 cents. So yeah, no, we'll not be buying the seed beads again. Anyway, next are these little pens right here. You guys, the picture shows a clear crystal diamond in the center. These are clearly pink. And I ain't even mad about it. Like, I love pink. So I am not upset. But if you order a specific color and you don't get it, I report a dispute because that's called false advertisement. So anyway, it's got a pink crystal in there. Look how cute those are. And then it's got your silicone like pointed tip and your silicone flat tip right here. And these are perfect for picking up paper piecing or small sequins and gems that you're working with. It'll, stick. You know what? Let's try this before I start advertising that it works. Okay, well, this is a sticker. Okay, so I just cut out a little white piece right here, and it works. It just gripped come on, camera. It just gripped that little paper right there, so it'll grip like sequins, gems, and paper for paper piecing. So I got 2 more. I could give these away in Happy Meal. They were like $1 something, you know. Ooh. Okay, so I got those. Perfect for gifting. Then you guys saw order that I was going to order these butterflies, and I liked that they had a bunch of, detailing filigree style stuff in them in different sizes and widths of whatnot. So the big one, the big one is 2 1/4 inches wide. This littler one is 2 inches wide. This big mama one is 2.5 wide. This one is a little over 2 inches. So they are all different widths, all different details. I am so excited for this one. They all have different antennas. They have different butt things or whatever those are. Okay, and then I got these square stitched. I do have a couple of stitched square dies that I got from Tuesday Morning. But I did want one that had like stitching detail in it. And this one is about 4 3/4 inches tall and wide because it is a square. And this one comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This comes with 8 squares. So super excited. Again, some of the ones I saw were $10, $11 for them. And then this one is only, I want to say it was like $4 or something, somewhere around that price range. So it was like half price, literally. Next, look how cute. I'm so excited for this one. Okay, let's see here. Scrap the World does a little tassel tutorial, and I was like, okay, let's make a rainbow cuteness. Look how cute. Well, that doesn't That doesn't look like a tassel, but you guys get the picture. I'm going to make a tassel like hanging. Here we go. And it's going to be all different color rainbows and stuff, but just using one style of thread. So this is the rainbow one. And then let me show you. Okay, so that's the rainbow one. This was like $2. These were like 80 cents. So there is a huge size difference. This big mama one is probably, it's 6 inches tall. So just to give you a size reference for those guys. And then I think the guy that sent this square stitch one sent me like a little freebie. Oh, it's a narwhal because it has the little horn, a little whale narwhal thingy. And then next, so excited for these. Saw everybody hauling. Look how cute these ice cream cones are. And geez, it comes with a lot. I must not have paid attention. Look how cute. So you can pick out like a mixed version, or I just picked out the pink and gold ones and not like a mixed bundle because these are my favorite like colors, pink and gold and whites. So I was like, let's just stick to that. So they're like little, almost like chipboard or cardboard, felt underneath. So that's felt. And then glitter papers on the top with like a felt like detailing part right there, like felt covered cardstock or something. I don't know. But anyway, cute little ice creams. And I figured these are perfect for like Maggie Holmes Carousel, any summer theme, girly theme. These are perfect. And look how many, so I can totally give little bundles away and some Happy Meals. And yeah, that is my quick, oh, and then I got this Glitterific from Hobby Lobby. I forgot to haul it. I haven't tried it, and honestly, in the beginning, I was like, do I want to pay, you know, $4.99? But I used a coupon, so no, I would never pay $4.99. But anyway, basically, isn't this just like glue and glitter? Like I can make this on my own. So I'm going to test this out, like what the hype is about, and I hope that I love it. Otherwise, I'm just going to go back to like clumpy glue and glitter, because if that's the same thing, you know, why pay $4.99? So yeah, I got that from Hoblob. So excited. Bye guys, catch you on the next video.